Hello, so we are back in this time. We have a proper nice laptop to repair. We have a Dynabook Portage. I don't know, this sounds like some kind of food. But anyway, this has like a brand new screen here. And the problem with this laptop, let's check the customer email. So the customer is saying, Happy New Year to you. Thank you. I have a Dynabook with a faulty Wi-Fi card. And also I have one with a faulty webcam. It is possible you can repair one of them using the part from the other. We can try. There is also one that flashes when a charger is connected. Many thanks, term and condition declined. And that's okay, it's not a problem. It's not a problem. So we have the one which doesn't have Wi-Fi. We have one which is flashing. And we have one with no webcam. And also this customer sent me, and by the way, the customer, it's a computer business. The customer sent me, please keep for yourself, please keep for yourself. And here are like 2 boards. Because people are sorry, from where you have the spare boards? Yeah, you see sometimes customer computer shops, they are sending me like parts they don't need. So we have to fix one board, and we have a look to have a look on this one which is flashing. Maybe we can fix it. But anyway, we have one with no webcam and one with no Wi-Fi. And if you ask me, I will say both are hard faults. I mean, probably impossible to be fixed. But on the board with the Wi-Fi, we have like a probably over 50% chance to fix it. Because when you have a Wi-Fi issue or a webcam, they are connected straight to the EC chip. Yeah? So most likely have a issue with the EC chip. But can be a Wi-Fi card. So I will try to fix the one with the Wi-Fi from here. I will not gonna try to fix this with the webcam. If it's not like a connector problem, there is the chipset. Now let's test this laptop. Let's see what it's doing. Pressing the power button and nothing happened. Let me plug a charger. Plug in the charger and the meter it is coming on. And the laptop is on. I can see the light and it's taking like 1 amp. Let's wait for the laptop to start. I mean, they start soldering the Wi-Fi cards on the boards, you can see. And that's not a problem. It's very easy to be swapped. I mean, you can swap it like a chip and replace. We can do that, yeah. But also you can try to fix it. Yeah, many times a reflow after under this metal shield can fix a lot of problem. So we're gonna try to reflow. Then if it's not working, we're gonna replace. But I'm not gonna ruin this customer board with this one with the webcam, because he gave me, the customer gave me, check here, boards where I have another Wi-Fi card. So I can take the Wi-Fi card from these boards. This is Huawei, right? No, it's not. It's Asus. Okay. Oh, lol, we have a nice EC chip here. What about the PD controller? Yeah, we do have the PD controller. Remember, we need this one. Check that. Check that. And the MOSFET, just to understand the timing. So we have same board. I fixed it like probably last week with the MOSFETs and the PD controller. And now I have them for spares. Which means next time when we have a laptop like this, we can swap the MOSFETs and the chip, right? Of course not. I'm gonna list them on eBay and sell them. Just joking. Anyway, wow, on this board some bad things happened there on the screen connector. Check there. And the other one, the same. I mean, same. Both they have some screen connector issue. Not sure you can see. You can see? Yeah. But yeah. And we have some MEC IO chip. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Let's check the laptop. So the laptop is on. Wi-Fi and device manager. I mean, I'm pretty sure the customer test and install the drivers and stuff like that. So it's not even point going there trying to check. Yeah, the Wi-Fi card is installed. So you can see the Wi-Fi card, Wi-Fi 6 actually. And the Wi-Fi here, probably you can enable, right? Wi-Fi. Yeah, you cannot enable the card. Yeah, that's the issue. So that's what happened when the chipset is not speaking with the Wi-Fi card. Yeah, so this is not like a signal issue. It's actually the digital communication between the Wi-Fi card and the chipset. Yeah, you can see it's not working. I cannot turn it on. Same like the iPhone. So you remember the iPhone, you cannot turn on the Wi-Fi. So actually, it's the Wi-Fi module, but it's not the RF part. It's the digital part. Yeah. Good. Let's try to fix it. So I'm gonna open the laptop, but the laptop is open, doesn't have screws. Doesn't have the Wi-Fi antenna, and the battery is unplugged, and that's fine. That's okay. I will say to take the board out. Yeah, let's take the board out because we cannot work with hot air here. We can melt the plastic. Yeah. Yeah, just give me 1 minute to take the board out. Okay, so the board is out. Check that. On the back of the board we have nothing. I mean, this is so easy to work with. On the Wi-Fi, I mean. You can come with the heat from the back and you can swap the Wi-Fi card or yeah. But we want to take the metal out. So I think I will come with the hot air from the top and just take the metal out. I forgot to switch on the microscope. But anyway, I took the metal with hot air, and here we have a chip. That's all what we have. So I'm gonna use a little bit of rosin flux. I just came with hot air 480 degrees, and that's all. Now let's try to reflow this chip. Same 480 degrees. And the chip is moving. That means the reflow is done. Good, all done. Let's test it, yeah? If it's working, then it's fine. If it's not working, then we're gonna replace the Wi-Fi card. And yeah, it is possible we can replace the Wi-Fi card and still not working. Okay, so the board is back in place. Plug in the charger. Now we don't need a battery. No. Okay, you know what? It's getting proper hot. Let me put a fan or both fans. Okay, one fan is plugged in, and the other fan. Yeah, and the fan is spinning. The fan is spinning, huh? And the other fan, yeah, is spinning. Even the other one is spinning. And yeah, let's go on Windows. And the Windows is on. Do you think it will work? Huh? I'm curious. If it will not work, probably it will not work even with another card. Come on. Wi-Fi. No, it's not working. Check that. It's not working. You can see? No, it's not working. Ah, that sucks. Why is not working? I mean, God knows why it's not working. We can check some voltages. So here we have a coil and we have like 0.8. Here you have like 1.7. Yeah, so the chip has voltages, but it's not working. No. I mean, we should have somewhere like 3.3. Here we have 3.3. Yeah, so you can see. So the card it is taking 3.3. Not sure about enable and all the stuff. But yeah, it's not working. Okay, let's replace the card. I should replace it from the first try, but I said, you know what? Maybe it's a good example how you can fix the card without replacing it. But like I said, reflowing should be like enough. If it's not working with reflow, I really doubt it will work with another card. But let's replace the Wi-Fi card. Yeah. I mean, I can only hope it will work, but not sure. Okay, so the board is out, so I'm gonna come with the heat from the back. And you know what? Let's remove a Wi-Fi card from one of my boards. Yeah, let's remove a card from here. So we have the hot air on the back of the board. Let's remove the card. I'm using like 480 degrees, which is okay. And the solder is getting melted. Come on, I can't believe. I need something sharp to go behind of the card. Okay, let me try with my knife, yeah? No, you cannot pull it out with tweezer because it has a lot of solder connections on the back. So you have to use something and lift it. Yeah, like that. Okay, so we leave the card. Good. The connector is fine. We don't need this connector. Let's solder back this connector. Yeah, the connector is back in place. Yeah, that's fine. But that's the card. Good. Okay, let's take the other card out. So with this one, same story. Hot air from the back. And the card, it's out. Yeah. So that's the old one. Good. Now the board is still hot. Let's come with some rosin, liquid rosin. Good. The new card. And same with the hot air from behind. Perfect. I think it is soldered properly. Okay, let's wait to cool down and put the board back. Okay, the fans are back in place. Let's plug the power. Power plugged in. The laptop it is coming on. So what do you think? It will work or not? I will say it will not work. Because I swap a bunch of Wi-Fi cards and never work. It worked by reflowing, but I swapped a few boards and they didn't work. Coming on. So it is possible to be like a chipset issue if it's not working, most likely, because the voltage is right. Let's see. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is off. Nah, it's not working. It's not working exactly what I said. It's not working. And it's nothing what we can do. We swapped the Wi-Fi module for nothing. Feels bad, man. Okay, on this point, the only possible repair I'm seeing it's actually from the board with charging light flashes, don't power on. Yeah, this one. Because this one webcam, again, I can't fix it. No, that's some chipset issue. Let's see this one. What's the problem with this board? It's looking good. So plug in the power. And you can't see, sorry. The meter it is coming on. 19 volts. So the PD controller is working. And the light is flashing. Why the light is flashing? The board should come on straight away when you plug the power. Let's check the main power rail. So the main power rail is 17 volts, which is fine. The AC chip, I'm assuming it's up and running because the PD controller is working. The power button is here. Yeah, that's the power button. Pressing the power button and it's flashing once, and that's all. So what can be the problem with this board? What you will do with this board, if you know you have another two boards here for spares. Yeah, we do have like 3 point something volts on the power button. Yeah, 3.2. How you will fix it? So this is a working board. And the meter is coming on, but the board is coming on straight away. You can see the main power rail on this one, 17.6. So it's not like a power issue on this one. You know what? I mean, it is possible to be like a BIOS issue. It is possible. Or a PD controller firmware issue. Let's see what we have on this board. Oh, that's crazy. We have a CYPD PD controller. I hate this chip. I swear I hate it. We have the BIOS chip here. Yeah. Let's do it. Let's swap the BIOS chip. Yeah. Let's do it. So we have two BIOS chips here. Okay, so this BIOS chip is out. And this BIOS chip is out. So we're gonna solder the BIOS chip here. Good. It's not soldered yet, I know. But we need some rosin flux. Yeah, I know that plastic is melting there, I know that. We're gonna take care after that. Good. Good, that one is fine. And this one is soldered properly. Perfect. You have a little bit of plastic on the other side. Let me take this out for the moment. So now plug in the charger and the one with working the webcam. And the board is dead. No, actually it's coming on. It's coming on, but it's working. That's crazy. 1 amp. Yeah, so the board is coming on. And probably this one, it will do exactly the same thing. Yeah, it's not working. Okay, it's not working. Good. We didn't check the coils on this one. We didn't check the coils. So the coils, this one is fine. 44, 44, 100. Good. 12 ohms. 12 ohms. Here we have 15 ohms. Okay, it's fine. Here is fine. Here is fine. Yeah, this board is looking good. Hmm? And we have these coils here. And it's fine. Hmm? Do you think the EC chip is faulty? Yeah, this board is doing exactly the same. You see the LED is flashing. Pressing the power button and the current is going up a little bit, then it's going back to 0. Hmm? USB port is fine. We have one more coil there. Check that, we have one more coil. We didn't check that coil. This coil is fine. This one is fine. 100 ohms. Here like 20 ohms. You think it's a different CPU? Why such a big difference? So here you have like 120 ohms on the CPU. And this one, 20 ohms. Yeah. Here 88 ohms, and here infinite resistance. I can't believe we have 3 boards and I don't know how to fix one from all 3. Okay, let's check some voltages. So here we have 3.3 and here we have 5 volts. Okay, let's focus on this one. 3.3 and 5. So here we have nothing and here we have nothing. 3.3, good. Coming with 3.3 is taking 130 milliamps, and on the 5 volts is taking like 70. Yeah, so nothing shorted. On this one, here we have 5.2, and here we have 9.8. Okay, that's the charging coil. Yeah, we don't care about that. Here we have 1.8, the chipset. Yeah, let's see the chipset. So the chipset voltage is actually 1.8. 1.8 is going to 0. It was 1.8, I seen it, 1.8. What can be faulty on this board? Okay, check that capacitor. So this board had some liquid damage. Check the capacitor, you can see the color. Yeah, so we can check the board for liquid damage then. Here is looking good. Wi-Fi card. Fine. The PD controller is looking clean. One to A5, this is a classic chip. Here we have some liquid damage on the charging port, but that's not enough to give us problems. Easy chip looking good. Apart from some hair there, it is looking clean. Okay, let's try to reflow the EC chip. A little bit of rosin flux. Good. Good, so the EC chip is moving. That's when it's reflow. Good, let's plug the charger and see what it's doing. Meter is coming on. Wait, exactly the same thing. Light is flashing. Yeah. You know what? I can bet is this prick CYPD, the PD controller, because I know the chip. It's a very poor chip. So let me use some Rosin. Let's reflow that chip. Because so the chip is moving. Means it's reflow. Let's plug the charger. Plug in the charger, the meter it is coming on. And it's doing exactly the same thing. You know what? The last chance, yeah? This is the last thing what we're gonna do. We're gonna swap the firmware, the PD controller, this chip, which is a prick like I told you. We're gonna swap the BIOS chip, yeah, the memory chips. So I'm gonna use a little bit of Rosin. Just a little bit. And we're gonna swap these two chips. Must be some firmware issue. Okay, this one is out. And this one is out. So this one is coming exactly here. Good. And this one here. I mean, I can't really see properly. Okay, so this one is solder. And this one is solder. Yeah. We are fine. We are fine. Good. So we swapped the firmware. Now this one was flashing. And it's still flashing. And this one was coming on and is still coming on. Feels bad, man. Okay, you know what? We cannot fix any of the customer boards. Any. I'm sorry. The only chance we have, the only chance we have is to use. So those are the boards the customer sent me to fix, plus the one from the laptop with the Wi-Fi issue. The only chance to fix, it's actually the customer sent me the boards to keep them for spares. So are exactly the same boards, but clearly we can see some liquid damage there. You can see. And from what I see, someone try to fix them. Yeah, check that. I mean, not sure if you can see. It's not focusing. Come on, Sony. Yeah. So you can see someone tried. There is some sweet liquid damage. I mean, this board is looking quite bad. You can see. And the connector the same. So I don't want to fix this one. I want to fix this one. We took the Wi-Fi card out. I can't believe I took the Wi-Fi card. So this one is looking quite good. You can see. I mean, looks like it was some liquid damage, but it's some light liquid damage. So what these boards are doing? So this board we have like 5 volts, so the PD controller is not working. And this board, the one which is proper damaged, the PD controller is working. Check that, 19 volts, but the board is not coming on. Obviously, it's a lot of damage on this board. So I will say, let's try to fix this PD controller. If we are fixing this PD controller, then we have a chance to fix this board. Yeah, we can swap back the Wi-Fi module. That's okay. That's fine. So what can be wrong with the PD controller? I mean, we have so many spares here. So this okay, check that. That's some liquid damage, right? Yeah. Because otherwise the board is looking quite good. Yeah. Okay, let's clean the PD controller. Let's clean it. How we are cleaning a chip with oxidation under? I mean, first, try with some alcohol. Of course, this it will not do a lot, but you can try. Then dry. Okay. And now we are coming with some liquid rosin and we're gonna reflow the chip, and that it will fix the problem. Yeah. Like that. And the PD controller is moving. That means we reflow the chip successfully. Good. Still hot. Now let's plug the charger and see if the PD controller is working. If it's not working, we're gonna swap the PD controller from another board. So plug in the charger. It's working. The board is on. That's crazy. Check there. 700 milliamps. So the board actually came on. Check there the LED. Oh lol. We fixed it, but now we don't have a Wi-Fi card. Yeah, I will say let's take the Wi-Fi card from this one, which is proper damaged. Or no, we can use this card, the one which we took it originally from that board, from the customer board, which came with the laptop. I mean, this card is not damaged. No, this is like a brand new card. Yeah, let's solder this one. So we're all gonna solder exactly on the same way. Yeah, we have one bridge here. I want to take out that bridge. Perfect. And we are fine. Let's add some rosin flags. Yeah, perfect. Let's put the card on place, this one. And now with the heat from the back, 480 degrees. Let's solder this card. Yeah, I mean somewhere in the middle. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Yeah, we solder the card on the board. Perfect. Yeah, that chip is melted. Yeah. All good, all good. Yeah. So the card is soldered properly on the board. You can trust me on this one. Yeah, this connector moved a little bit. Yeah, but that's fine, you know, it's still soldered. It's fine. Hmm? So what do you think about that? I think it's time for testing. What do you think? Hmm? So one more time, plug in the charger and yeah, the board is coming on. Let's do it. Let's put this board on the laptop. Yeah, let's do it. I mean, I feel pretty bad, you know. The customer not only sent me like free boards to do like to fix one from free, and I could not fix, but also he sent me like another free boards for spares. So yeah, I kind of feel bad. And the board it's out. So we will gonna swap the M2 drive. Hopefully it will work. It will not ask me from some BitLocker recovery key. And the heatsink, we have two screws on the heatsink. Yeah, I'm assuming the Wi-Fi is working on the board, which customer sent me with the webcam not working. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he checked. On the same way, I'm pretty sure here on this board it will work, Wi-Fi it will work, and webcam it will work. Good, everything is on place. Let's put the fans. Now plug in the charger. And the laptop it is coming on. Good. Let's wait. Huh? We have picture the board with the dead board for spares. We fix it. Yeah. Good. Let's see if it's loading the windows. Restart. Coming on. Yeah. We don't need the time. We need the Wi-Fi and the webcam. Come on, load the windows. I don't have BitLocker key. Yes, loading the windows. Ha. Fantastic. Let's see. So this is that dodgy Wi-Fi card from the first board. Dodgy. Remember I told you the card is good. Okay, getting device ready. So yeah, the computer knows we swap the board. There are different serial numbers there. Yeah, the laptop restart. Install a system update. What system update? This is not a Windows update. Check there. This must be something else related with some firmware on the board. Definitely. Anyway, let's wait. Okay, this is strange. The mouse is not working. Ha! The system is frozen or what? No, the bar is not moving. Oh, it is moving. Yeah, the bar is moving. Yeah, let's wait. I'm not gonna touch it. Yeah, so mark my words. Yeah, before the laptop is starting, the webcam it will work, the Wi-Fi it will work. I'm pretty sure about that. I can bet. Nearly done. You know what? I think Windows just screw up my board. The fans are spinning at full speed when we have no picture. You see, that's what happened with Windows and updates. That's what is happening. Yeah, that's how the laptop can die. During a Windows update, because this board was good. We just plug a SSD and the system start and say, "Wait, it's a system update." Wait, the laptop restart. The laptop restart. Hmm? The fans are not spinning at full speed anymore. The laptop restart again. It's working. It's still working. I can't believe I take my words back. Nah, Windows updates are good. It's still working. That's good. That's good. I mean, it will not be a problem. You can swap the BIOS and the PD controller firmware from the other board. Apart if it's not like a cheap, firmware update. That will be a problem. Loading the Windows. Please wait. Yeah, it's working. I can't believe. Actually, it's working. Yeah. Let's see the Wi-Fi. Oh. Good. So everything is up and running. And the Wi-Fi available. Ah, just say something. Check that. Yeah, it's no Wi-Fi antenna are not connected, but the card is working. It's enabling. It's working fine. Told you it's not a card. Told you it's a chipset issue. What about the webcam? Camera. Camera. We can't find your camera. That's crazy. That sucks. No camera attached. Wait, 1 second. 1 second. 1 second, because I don't think we have driver for the webcam here, because I don't know why. Because where is it? Look here, we have multimedia control. ISP camera device. Check that. We don't have drivers. Yeah, we don't have driver. Let me install the drivers. Yeah. Wait, I don't have internet. Lol. Okay. Okay, let's connect to internet. Connecting. Check there. Without antenna. Connecting without antenna. We have internet without Wi-Fi antenna. Ha. Okay, let's plug the Wi-Fi antenna actually to get like full signal, full speed. We connected one Wi-Fi antenna and we are getting full signal. Check there. Intel camera. All drivers are installed. And now let's see. I haven't checked yet. Camera. It's working. Check there, huh? So 1 second, which camera is working? This one? Yeah, this one. Huh? Yeah, that's the only camera. Yeah. So the camera is working, the Wi-Fi is working. You can see we have full signal there. And if you ask, okay, sorry, but how do you have full signal with only one wire plugged in? Now the Wi-Fi cards, they are working, can work differently, and everything is automatically. Can be one antenna, can be RX-TX, and it will work fine with one antenna. Can work both antenna and is doing balancing, depends on which one has stronger signal. Can one be RX and one takes, or uplink and downlink? Or can both work, RX and takes, can work on multiple ways. But of course, better with both plugged in, so the speed, it will be higher. Anyway, I'm so happy I helped the customer. And I can't believe actually we fixed the board, which he gave me for spares. Again, we have the original board from the laptop, which we swapped the Wi-Fi module. We have this one, which is flashes. Yeah, we reflow the EC chip. We replace the BIOS chip. Yeah, and we replace the PD controller memory chip. Yeah, I mean, we tried a few things and it didn't work. No webcam, we didn't test it. Yeah, again, Wi-Fi and webcam, the tracks are going straight to the chipset. Yeah, and this one is proper damaged, and yeah, we didn't try to fix it. This one he sent me for spares, and he sent me for spares one more, which I'm very grateful. Remember, I didn't have. This PD controller and these kind of MOSFETs, you see. Yeah, now we have them, and we're gonna use them in the future. Good? Perfect. So I'm gonna stop now. I will say thank you for watching. It was a long video, yeah. So on my OBS, check here. On my OBS, I have 2 hours. You can see 2 hours. Yeah, it was a long one. But I'm happy we fixed the board, so the customer has the laptop fully functional. So see you on the next one. Bye. Hey, if you find my content being helpful, don't forget you can support this channel by pressing the join button, and you can get instantly access to our members only cool collection and Discord private channels for support with your repairs. Also, you can have a look on our United Kingdom eBay, where you can find some cool and unique products, United States eBay store, or our Patreon page. Thank you.